Good morning. Today we're going to take a look at the Milwaukee Fastback 6-in-1 folding utility knife. It's got a wire stripper, a bottle opener, a Phillips screwdriver, a slotted screwdriver, and a nut driver. It has quick change functionality of the blade, and it has blade storage on the handle, and it also has a lanyard hole. Let's open it. So this is the knife, and you have a utility blade here and a wire stripper. It's got a button lock, so yeah, you can see it there. And then of course you have the bottle opener here, and you have the bit driver, and it has a 90-degree angle detent, and then full extension. Oops, it's hard. Okay, so we have a 1/4 inch nut driver here, and then you have the Phillips and the slotted screwdriver. So this bit driver should be able to hold standard bits, and it does. So we should be able to also extend it with a standard bit extender. Oh, but it's a little bit loose. It has a very strong retention for the bit that comes with it, and I think it's because it's using this retention ring. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, it's a little bit clearer here. And then to close it, it has a liner lock. And then you have here the pocket clip. It's a wire pocket clip. And then the lanyard hole here. So to open the blade, you just press this button to unlock it, and then there are fingernail notches here. And that's it. To close it, you just do the reverse. The other way of opening this is by pressing the button and flipping, which is basically just press the button and flip. So the grip is made of plastic, and it's warm to the touch, and definitely it's very ergonomic. So you have a finger groove here and jimping here. So the blade storage is over here. So there's a little tab here, and you simply pull it and then insert a spare blade in. And that should keep it in place. So to replace the blade, you simply press this tab and pull out the blade, and then you just slide in the replacement blade until it snaps into place. So let's compare it to my Stanley 99E. Lengthwise, the Milwaukee is shorter. Thickness is more or less the same, and opened, they're also more or less the same. Weight wise, I think the Milwaukee is heavier. Let's weigh them. So the Milwaukee is 138 grams, and the Stanley is 148.6 grams. So the Milwaukee is actually lighter. And here it is compared to my Benchmade Pika. Of course, they have different purposes, but let's just compare them. So there you have it, the Milwaukee Fastback 6-in-1 utility knife. It's a very useful package with 6 tools, and it's definitely a good replacement to the Stanley 99E. Definitely very good for EDC. Thank you for watching.